Hi Ellen, we're here at Pam's book party. She's a new author and we're here to celebrate. And this is Pam, and we're playing Hi Ellen, suburbs of St. Louis. Hey Ellen. This is Michelle. I'm Pam. Janet.
Ellen, hi, I'm Penny.
I'm Sally.
And Ellen, I think you need to have Pam on your show. She's written a really good book that everybody can relate to, talking about life and moms, and it's not just the suburbs, everywhere.
I ought to be careful what I say.
And we're missing Anne, part of our group. She didn't feel good tonight, but hi Anne, we love you. So I wrote this book. I've been writing for about 8.5 years, and I write about life here in St. Louis and suburbia. But like Penny says, it's for moms and women's. Too many chocolate martinis. It's for women everywhere. And my friends all got together tonight to celebrate. And we all think that we would love to come visit you, Ellen, all of us together, because we've been trying to take a trip. We've been together for 15 years. And we've been trying to take a trip together. And Ellen, I know that if you asked us to come, all the Playgroup moms would come with me. And we could talk about being a fabulous woman and having great girlfriends and terrific families. So it's called SOS from Suburbia. I hope you call us back, because Ellen, we want to come and visit you, talk about the book.
So